Partnership business. In this part, we discuss about the formation and relationship of partnership business through the following points. Partnership Act 1932, Partnership Relationship, Partnership Agreement, Test of Partnership, Classification of Partnership, Eligibility of Partners, Types of Partners, Minor Partner. Partnership. Partnership is the relation of mutual agency between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Partners. The person who enter into such relationship are called partners. However, an artificial person like company may also be a partner in a partnership. Firm. The partners collectively are known as firm or partnership firm. However, a partnership of firm does not become a legal entity. It is a collective representation of the partners but not a legal entity by itself. Firm name. The name of the entity under which the partnership business is carried on is called partnership firm name or shortly as firm name. Example: A, B and C entered into a partnership with each other. They carry on the business under the name and style of ABC and Company. In this case, A, B and C are individually the partners and collectively a firm, and ABC and Company is the firm name. Partnership Act 1932. The law of partnership is contained in the Partnership Act 1932. It is based on English Partnership Act 1890. History. Prior to the enactment of Partnership Act 1932, the law of partnership was embodied in Chapter 11 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Extension of Contract Act 1872. Partnership Act 1932 is basically a branch of the general law of contracts, as provisions of Indian Contract Act continue to apply to it except to the extent they are not inconsistent with the provision of Partnership Act 1932. Effective date. Partnership Act 1932 came into force with effect from 1st October 1932, except Section 69, which came into force on 1st October 1933. Applicability. It extends to whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Partners. Two or more persons competent to enter into contract called as partners can form a valid partnership. Minimum number of persons. There must be minimum of 2 partners. The partnership ceases to exist if the number of partners gets reduced to 1. Thus, when the existing partnership firm, the number of partners is reduced to 1, the firm is compulsorily dissolved. Example: A, B and C were 3 partners carrying on a partnership business. Subsequently, A and B retired from the firm and C alone continued the business. In this case, there is no partnership as one person cannot be a partner with himself. No maximum limit. Partnership Act does not specify any maximum number of limit on the partners. However, Section 11 of the Companies Act 1956 provides that the maximum number of partners shall not exceed 10 in case of banking business and 20 in case of any other business. If the number of partners exceed the maximum limit, the partnership becomes an illegal association.